floor kasama sina Jason at Alvin. Joyce and Valencia, this is your moment!
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Yeah. Nothing on you. Nothing on you, baby. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from. Regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. I got a kiss by the language. I got a kiss by the language.
Thank you, Joyce-Ann. Thank you rin kay Jason at Alvin. Habang umiinom ka uli, pakinggan muna natin ang sasabihin ni Michelle o Bombshell. Pakitulungan niyo naman si Joyce-Ann.
Hello, Joyce-Ann. Okay, you refresh yourself and you replenish. But what I can say is that this contest really rocks because, you know, it only goes to show that being sexy is not just having a fit body. It's also a state of mind. If you feel and if you think that you are sexy, it will show to the people of the world. Look at you, your facial expression, yeah, your confidence, and it's a good thing that your costume was stripes and it's pink. It's not yellow because if it were yellow, you would look like a bumblebee. So good call.
Inuman ng juice. Kapahinggan niyo naman si Michelle o Bombshell.
Oh, yeah. You listen to me. Well, anyway, you had a great performance. I just wish you put a bit more complicated steps or some more lifts. But the cartwheel and the split was really great. So for me, Joyce-Ann, you're not just a Joyce-Ann ng hapagkainan. You're also a Joyce-Ann ng hatawan.
Joyce-Ann.
Thank you so much, Miss Obama!
I love ya.
Mas umama, ito naman si Miss Kyla naman ang pakinggan natin.
Hi, Joyce! Grabe, sobrang sexy mo kung maka-arch ka ng back mo, tsaka makasway ng hips, talagang sobrang sexy. Ang ganda nun. Gusto ko rin yung projection mo, and ano ba, ang ganda ng steps mo. Actually, nagustuhan ko siya. Parang gusto ko siyang gayahin. Tsaka kaya lang yung shorts mo sobrang haba. Mas mahaba pa sa skirt mo.
Kaya kasi ano sila eh. Talagang hindi sila pwedeng basta-basta magpakita ng legs. Mahigpit ang magulang niya.
Oo nga, sabi ko nga eh. Yun lang. Congrats, ang galing.
Thank you so much. Para naman kayo mga addict sa juice. Okay. Pero matanong ko lang, kanina tinanong ni Sam kung paano ka matulog. Ikaw pa pag natutulog ka, may katabi ka pa?
Wala po kasi sa office po ako natutulog.
Talaga? Bakit sa office?
Kasi po, Los Baños, tas Alabang, masyadong malayo. So, I decided to sleep sa work. At saka hindi po kami pwedeng magtabi.
Ah, talaga? O sige, wag na natin pag-usapan ng pagkatabi. Si Mark naman, laging may katabi yan eh. Mark, sino-sino ba nagiging katabi mo ngayon?
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Sino?
Siya.
Siya.
Hindi, Joyce. Hindi, ang pinaka nagdala talaga doon sa sayo mo, yung cartwheel mo eh. Medyo kakaiba yun Kasi kung ako sumisemplang ako sa cartwheel ikaw almost perfect. Tapos yung variation ng step mo, okay yun. And yung projection mo, sabi natin Carla. Tapos ano ba?
Alam mo,
Syempre,
Mark, speaking about cartwheel, buti nga hindi siya pinayagan. Talagang pag nagka-cartwheel siya, may cart.
ay,
May cart, naiwan lang sa labas.
yeah, totoo. Hindi yun. So, syempre yung flexibility mo andun pa rin. So yun lang, na siguro next time mas maraming different kind of music na mas hataw. Pero okay.
Thank you, Joyce. Thank you, Mark. Eras. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Joyce, mamaya na. Joyce, eto kanina pa sila nanonood. Pero makikita mo sa kanila mga ngiti na enjoys sila. Ayan.
Totoo yan, Bayani. Enjoy na enjoy talaga kami dito sa mga performances. Team Around the World!